you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test your connection by browsing the web or running a speed test. Step 2. Update Steam and games. Make sure that both Steam and your games are updated to the latest versions. Open Steam, go to the library, and check for updates for your games. Step 3. Verify game files. Sometimes corrupted game files can cause multiplayer issues. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Check your network settings on the Steam Deck. Go to Settings, then Network, and ensure that your NAT type is open. If it's not, you may need to adjust your router settings. Step 5. Restart Steam Deck. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, restart your Steam Deck. This can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches affecting multiplayer functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your multiplayer experience on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.